Hey, hi everybody. This is the Math 10 trigonometry review. This is short answer number 3. Determine the length of the side r to the nearest tenth of a meter. Okay, so when we're looking at a question like this where they're giving you an angle and some information here, and let's bring the triangle into the center of the screen here. We have to look for the angle. The angle that we're given, that's the most important thing when we're dealing with trigonometry. Now in the previous questions, number 2 here, didn't have to worry about the angle because we were just doing the Pythagorean theorem. We had a couple of sides, that's it. Here, we've only got the one side. We're looking for another side here. It's the angle that's going to help us out here. And the reason why it does is because it helps us identify what the sides are. Okay? The side that's not being used, the R here, that's not being used to build that angle, this is the opposite side. The 23.1, which we are using to build this angle, this is going to be our adjacent side. And the side that is opposite the 90 degrees, that's going to be our hypotenuse. So in this particular case here, we are looking for the opposite side. We're given the adjacent side to this angle right here. So now I got to think, what trig function do I know that relates the opposite side to the adjacent side? And the answer is tangent. So this is going to be the tangent of 28 degrees is equal to the ratio of the opposite side, r, over 23.1. Okay. Now I want to figure what r is, so I'm going to try to get rid of this denominator. I'm going to multiply both sides here by 23.1. On the right-hand side, that will cancel, and on the left-hand side, it's just going to be 23.1 times the tangent of 28 degrees, and that will just equal r. Now remember, tangent of 28 is just a number. It's just a number. It is the ratio. It is the ideal relationship between the opposite side and the adjacent for this particular angle. So on my calculator, I will just put 23 point, whoops, in fact, I'll show it to you here. Okay, so on my calculator, I'm going to enter in 23.1 times the tangent of 28. Okay, not the inverse tangent, the actual tangent, because that's going to give me the proper ratio between the opposite and the adjacent. Press enter, and we're getting 12.3 when we round that to the nearest tenth. 12.3, whatever the units are, in this case it's meters. And there's my r.